Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 2nd March 2021, Tuesday. So this analysis is for Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. So let's jump into the screen. So the first stop for 2nd March is CNR, Canadian National Railway, and we can see that right now it's trading at 141.60. This was the last traded price, and on the daily chart we can see that it has given a closing above the daily resistance. So that's a very good and a very positive sign for CNR. So buy call for buy call for CNR if you get the stock above 141.811. Okay. So if you get this stock above 141.811 and if you see that the stock is doing good, there is good enough buying going on, then easily you can go for a buy call. Okay. Above 141.8. Keep your stop loss below 141. Keep your stop loss around 141.05 or 140.95. Okay. This line, just keep your stop loss below this line and buy call above this green line 141.8. And if you get a stock between this range 141.8 to 139.8, then this is your no trading zone. You do not need to take any trade. So the next stock is Bank of Montreal. So the Bank of Montreal, you can see that it has made a hammer yesterday. Okay, it has made a beautiful hammer yesterday. Last traded price is 106.10. Okay, 106.10. So buy call for Bank of Montreal above 106.3. Above 106.3. Okay, your target will be 107.78. So buy above 106.3 and your target will be 107.7. This is your target. Just make sure that the stock is doing good, trading comfortably and all. Okay, if you see that the stock is very weak, the buying pressure is missing, the volume is missing, then you can avoid the stock. And in case uh, you see some good selling pressure today, and if you find the stock below 104.3, then just avoid the stock. Okay, avoid the stock because there was some price rejection from below yesterday. Otherwise I would have told you to go for shorting the stock, but there was some price rejection below yesterday, so I'll tell you that do not go. Okay, only buy call for Bank of Montreal above 106.3. Next stock is CDN Natural. CDN Natural has made a beautiful green candle yesterday. Okay, there was just day before yesterday, you can see that there was a spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, so whenever we get a candlestick pattern like this, it signifies indication in the market. And after that, tomorrow it has made a beautiful green candle. Okay, so last traded price was 36.09. So buy call for CDN above 36.15, or go for you can go ahead and buy the stock if you get the stock above 36.20 level. Okay, your target will be this 37.2. The next stock is Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, and you can see that yesterday it tried to cross the resistance level available at 119. Okay, but it failed to do so, and ultimately it closed at 118.66. Okay, and it has made a pin bar kind of a pattern but with some good price rejection from below. So So your strategy for today should be buy above this only. Okay, if you get the stock above 119.3, and if it gives a opening, if it gives a gap up opening above 119.3, then let the stock settle down little bit above the resistance level, above this line. Okay, let the resistance become the support, let the stock trade comfortably, then you can easily go ahead and place the buy order. But remember one thing, buy only above 119.3. If you find a stock between this range 117 to 119 level, then that is your no trading zone. Only by 119.3 up. Okay, so let's jump to the next stock. It's FNB, Franco Nevada Corporation. And you can see that Franco Nevada has made a beautiful red candle yesterday with some price rejection from above. Okay, so last traded price of the stock is 134.46. Okay, and it has given us closing below the daily support. Okay, so that is a good sign for traders, not for investors. So what do you need to do? Okay, if you find a stock below 113.85 level, sorry, 133.85 level, extremely sorry. If you find a stock today trading below 133.85 level, and if you see that the yesterday's selling pressure is still present, okay, there is some still action going on in the market, okay, then you can short the stock below 133.85 level for today. Sorry, so hold a minute. Let's jump to the next stock, the National Bank of Canada. Okay, in this stock we can see that hmm, it gave closing at 80.36, just below the daily resistance. Okay, yesterday it tried to hit the daily resistance, but it failed. Okay, you can see that there was some small price rejection from above. Okay, that means it tried to go up, but it could not. It failed ultimately. So you can go for buy order. Okay, where did the pivot go? Wait, probably I have deleted. Pivot. Okay, pivot is back. I always use Fibonacci. Okay, instead of traditional, I always go for Fibonacci. Hmm. So only buy call above this level. That means 81. If you find a stock trading below 81 level, then you should not go for buy order. Only buy above 81. Okay. If the stock opens above 81, then let the stock trade for some time, at least 30 minutes. Let the stock feel comfortable above 81. Okay. Let the resistance become the support on the daily time frame. Then only you should go ahead and place the buy order. Okay. So 81 is the decisive level for National Bank of Canada. So these are the stocks that you need to keep an eye, or you can keep an eye on 2nd March Tuesday. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much. And if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, because I want you to stay ahead of the market. That's why I always bring the analysis just before the market opens. Okay. Thank you so much and good luck. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description.